Welcome to an in-depth explanation of how AI agents work. In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence entities that perceive, reason, and act. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a concept, it's driving real-world applications. AI agents are the core building blocks of many modern AI systems, from simple software bots to complex robots. An AI agent is anything that can perceive its environment through sensors, process that information through reasoning, and then act upon that environment using effectors. Think of it as a computational entity with a goal-driven purpose. The idea of intelligent agents has evolved significantly over the years, starting from early theoretical models to the sophisticated learning systems we have today. This evolution mirrors the progress of AI itself. Every AI agent is built on a few core components: the agent function, the agent program, and the environment it interacts with. Understanding these is key to grasping how agents work. The agent function is the abstract mathematical mapping from a sequence of percepts, or observations, to an action. It essentially defines what the agent should do in every possible scenario. The agent program is the concrete implementation of the agent function. This is the code that runs on the physical hardware or software, taking real-time inputs and deciding on the output action. The environment is the world where the agent operates. It can be physical, like a factory floor for a robot, or virtual, like a simulated marketplace for a trading agent. The nature of the environment heavily influences agent design. AI agents come in various types, each categorized by their complexity and the way they reason about the world. Let's explore the main classifications. Simple reflex agents act only based on the current percept, ignoring the history of previous percepts. They use condition-action rules to make immediate decisions, similar to a basic thermostat. Model-based reflex agents maintain an internal state, essentially tracking what the world looks like now, which allows them to handle partially observable environments and make more informed decisions. Goal-based agents go a step further by using explicit goals to guide their actions. They reason about sequences of actions to reach a desired state, making them suitable for planning and search problems. Utility-based agents are the most sophisticated, as they prioritize achieving the, quote, best outcome by maximizing a utility function. They are used in complex situations, where multiple goals need to be balanced. Learning agents are designed to improve their performance over time. They utilize a learning element to adjust the agent's performance element, allowing them to adapt to changes and become more efficient. AI agents are at the heart of many technologies we use daily. Let's look at some powerful examples of AI agents in action. Self-driving cars are prime examples of complex AI agents, constantly perceiving the road, reasoning about traffic laws and obstacles, and acting through acceleration, braking, and steering. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa are goal-based agents. They process spoken language, infer user intent, and execute tasks, while gaming AI agents create realistic and challenging opponents in video games. Despite their power, AI agents face significant challenges, including ensuring safety, reliability, and adapting to unpredictable environments. Ethical concerns surrounding AI agents, such as algorithmic bias and accountability, are critical. Developing robust, fair, and transparent agents is paramount for responsible AI development. To summarize, AI agents are sophisticated systems that perceive, reason, and act. Their classification, core components, and applications show the breadth and depth of modern AI. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into AI agents.